Oh my god, this is my first cut ever. Actually, my sister just came in to give me the coffee. Again, in a ballerina cup. Don't judge. Don't judge, okay? Don't judge. I'm looking at you right now. No judging, bro. Like, you will understand. If you have a younger sibling, younger sister, you will understand, bro. You will understand. You won't be the one leaving the hate comment. Hate comment वो leave करेगा जिसको पता नहीं है बात भाई कि oh look at it drinking coffee from a ballerina cup. Alright, like I was saying, even though my degree is like software engineering, I'm still seeing that disconnect. I'm still seeing the lack of a proper education. वो fulfillment नहीं आती है. It feels like so. It's like watching a YouTube video. It's like watching a YouTube video, like watching 5 of them, watching 15 of them over the course of a semester, and then going for an exam. So that is literally all it is. Recorded lectures. मेरे सारे lectures recorded lectures. So it's literally just like watching YouTube. Like आप क्या ही सीख लोगे यार YouTube video से? क्या ही सीख लोगे? I feel like पूरा benefit. And I was saying this way before, not right now. Like my parents can can attest to this. I have been saying this from the beginning. I've been saying this from grade 11. The whole benefit of going to university is to make networks, to make connections. I am in one of the best universities of Sydney. Not one of, best university of Sydney. And one of the best universities in Australia, like top 3. It's always in the top 3. Can you imagine the amount of networks, the amount of connections I could have made? It's unbelievable. कि मैं कितने connections बना सकता था. Especially me staying at home. I'm staying at home and I'm managing a company. I'm staying at home and I'm trying to make connections elsewhere. Can you imagine? I really believe in this thought. In this thought, क्या कहते हैं इसको? In this school of thought. कि भाई net worth, your network is your net worth, and I really believe in this. So I always try my best to make a very, very, very strong network of people who I can trust and they can trust back as well. So I can help them. I can I can provide value to them and expect back as well. So that's a very symbiotic relation that I'm trying to develop with all these big position people. And I think the podcast I start kiya hai, that is also like for the similar reasons. But having that said, I could have made a lot of relations in Australia. I could have made a lot of connections, and especially in Sydney. That's the hub. That's the metro hub of Australia. Like, इतना tech है वहाँ पे, इतने startups है वहाँ पे, इतनी investments है. I was staying at home and I won a hackathon. I could have been in the hackathon. I could have actually experienced that hackathon. All it was for me was another Zoom call. I just watched that Zoom call. You know what I mean? Like, it gets blunt at a point, and वो point हमने बहुत पहले cross कर लिया था. And that point I had crossed in the first 6 months. Now I'm just numb to this. I'm just numb to this shit. I don't really care about the कब खुलेगा university and कब मैं जाऊँगा campus, because I feel like that is the healthy way for me to think about it. क्योंकि now, like literally now my mindset is कि yeah, I won't be going to campus like ever. I'll probably get my graduation like online, like I did for my grade 12 as well. So like that is just the mindset I have right now. Right now my mindset is, yeah, I have university. I'll just do one favor for me. Just give me those videos. I will give you a test, give me my marks, and leave me alone. Like that is which position I have come to now. And whatever extra time I have, I'm spending it on this new company. I'm spending it on my personal brand. I'm spending it on my wellness. Like I've recently started, like not recently, it's been a few months now. I've recently started playing golf. I was learning for a while, and now I feel like I'm playing average, like I think 4 out of 10, 3 out of 10, I guess. But like from 0 to 3 to 0 to 4 in like a few months, that's kind of a good thing, right? But maybe not, I guess. But what I'm trying to say is I'm trying to do things that mean a lot to me, and also I'm opening this like new secret project I was talking about, I think a few videos back, right? So उसपे भी अभी काम चल रहा है. So I'm doing a couple of things other than university. I'm doing things that don't make me feel like I'm missing out on something, because I am missing out on something, and that's university. I have paid a lot of money this is not a joke. Like, I could buy a Lamborghini with this money. This is a lot of money, and getting that less value is kind of sometimes disappointing. But I feel like जो भी लोग देख रहे हैं इसको, जो भी लोग मेरी पोजीशन में है, या इवन वर्स जिन लोगों ने स्टूडेंट लोन ले रखा है इसके लिए, लाइक इतना आपने पैसा लिया, चुकाना भी है प्लस विद इंटरेस्ट. ओ माय गॉड, रियली that's like hats off to you. Like, it's a very big risk to take, and you'll have to work very hard to pay that loan back. But I feel like जो मेरा thinking है is like, okay, ये घाटा हो गया, like we have lost. Like, I've already like agreed, yeah, I am the losing party from this situation. But how do I make the most out of my life, out of my 4 years? And by the way, those 4 years of the prime of my life, like 18 to 22 is, I don't like, you know what I mean? Like 18 to 22 is that age when you can like literally survive on like nothing. Like you don't have to support a family, maybe, I guess. There are some people who have like, a kid at a young age, but I guess, yeah, I don't have to support a family at a very young age. I don't have to, buy good things, live in a good apartment. Like, I don't have to do that. You don't have to do that at the older age as well, but right now, especially, no one expects that out of you, right? This is a very easy, like, age to take risk, to take a lot of risk. And I feel like I am taking a lot of risk because I am doing a lot of things. I think that is how I am dealing with this whole COVID situation. Is because, now I just don't give a shit. I don't give a crap. मतलब अब ऑस्ट्रेलिया अगर बोलेगा भी ना कि भाई अगले 7 साल हम यूनिवर्सिटी स्टूडेंट्स ले ही नहीं रहे, like आ ही नहीं रहे, like they can't come to campus, all online होगा, like I couldn't care less because I've already thought that in my mind. Like I've already been in that place कि yeah, I'm not going to Australia now. So now no matter what happens, that's already I'm already expecting the worst to happen. Now no matter what happens, they can't make me feel any sadder. They can only make me feel like happier. Like, oh wow, I'm going my 3rd year. Wow, you get what I mean? This sounds like I'm sarcastic about it. It seems like I'm salty. I kind of am, but again, like I don't really care anymore now because I'm doing so many things. I feel like I'm repeating this statement again and again, but that's only because I really want to like mention. I really want to like state the importance of this. I really want to state how serious I'm actually about this. I'm not just being salty and just being jealous and just this is just a rant. It's not just a rant. I really mean this when I'm saying it. Like, really do things that occupy you so that you don't think about ki, oh shit, like mera bahut bada घाटा हो गया यार. What? Like, you have lost a lot of money, but you are doing things. You are doing other things that can have major potential in your life. You are doing things that can provide a lot of value, or even if they don't, you are doing things that provide a lot of happiness for you. You get what I mean? So do these other things, because otherwise you are going to be disappointed, because that's just the reality of it. But that's I guess only for like Australian international students, right? Like, I guess if you're in US, UK, Canada, any part of Europe, Singapore, Malaysia, then you're already in your campus. God damn it. Like, I'm literally like one of the last friends now from my high school to not go to uni. And I was one of the most excited. I wasn't always like this, oh, just give me my mark and that's it. I don't, just leave me alone, that type of a kid. Like, agar main jata na actually university like 6 months back, I was that one guy who would join every club. In fact, I joined so many hackathons. I joined like 4 hackathons. By the way, in 4 months, 4 hackathons. I joined an essay writing competition for statistics or something. I joined कितने सारे online courses किए जो हमें उसके through University of Sydney के through मिले थे free के. I joined so many conferences through Engineers Australia, एक club जैसा है for all engineers in Australia. Quite self-explanatory, right? So इतनी सारी चीजें मैंने की, like वो August to November के time में. So I was that kid, and I can only imagine मैं कितना कुछ और करता अगर मैं सच में campus जाता. But I feel like, that was my uni life. Like, I'm not going to extend that anymore because I realized that's kind of a waste of time. Like what I'm doing right now has so much high potential, so much upscaling to do. And even agar nahi bhi chala, it has so much value to me. It means so much to me. So I feel like this is way more important than attending like some uni party, which by the way would have been amazing fun, and I would have. It's just that I can't. It's just that I got notification. I'm sorry. It's just that I can't do it. So you know, what are you gonna do about it? So yeah, I guess that's my rant. Aaj video extremely lamba gaya, and hopefully someone watches this, someone finds value out of this. How I'm dealing with university online, how I'm dealing with COVID, you know, impacts which are still visible, you know, and I think it will always, like, this will always be a thing for me. Oh yeah, lost my university life because of COVID. So you know, that is something that our generation has faced. And you know, even though लोग कहते हैं ना कि अरे क्या यार क्या, like I think meme भी आता है कि अरे like our grandfathers fought wars and like हम घर बैठे बैठे like हैं और just like making a big deal out of it, which is kind of true. Yeah, at least हम war में नहीं हैं, but I guess जो economic impact पड़ा है jobs पे, I guess जो you know university life लाखों लोगों की बर्बाद हो गई है, I think वो so it's kind of a big impact. But I guess of course nothing near to war. At least you're not dead, right? So yeah, I hope ये value आया किसी को. बहुत गर्म है अभी, मैं पी नहीं सकता कॉफी. Alright, stay home, stay safe, and always keep working. Try to, you know, take your mind off these negative thoughts. बहुत बार आते हैं, मुझे भी आते हैं बहुत बार. कभी कभी मैं भी नहीं कर पाता यार. Leave, like it's kind of a toxic place sometimes, you know, at home all the time. But try your best. Try to do things जिससे ना आपको बिल्कुल mind हट जाए. And do things by the way जो आपके bucket list में, like ये चीजें जो मैं कर रहा हूँ, जो surprise project की बात कर रहा था मैं, these like 3-4 things are my bucket list. Building a personal brand is in my bucket list. My secret project, which you will get to know, is in my bucket list. Managing influencers, having an influencer agency, being in this influencer world is in my bucket list, you know, and being able to, for example, attend one of the universities that's top 50 in the world for computer science. I think it's 40 coach hai. That is in my bucket list. You know, that was something that I wanted so badly until the age of 18. You know, I was like, oh my god, I really want a good uni. And mila, and I'm so grateful for that. But yeah, you know, just keep taking those things off out of your bucket list, you know, so that your mind hate out of how blunt and boring life actually is in COVID times. But do things that you can do at home so that lage like you have lived 100 years in this 1 year, you know. Now especially you can do everything from home, guys. Everything from home. And that is actually a very powerful tool. With internet, you can literally, you know, start anything. You can start a company, you can start like podcast, you can start like, I don't know, personal brand, you can make vlogs with like $0. So it's really magical, and I think you should give it a try. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा कि you spend some time doing something you valued a lot. I think that's a win-win, right? So, all right, stay home, stay safe. I'm not going to take more of your time. Bye.